how to change language on Facebook, on PC or laptop. So if you want to change your language on your PC or laptop, on your Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook. So go with facebook.com. Now, once you open up your facebook.com, make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with the upper right, which has that settings option. Go with the profile and then go with settings and privacy. And here under your settings and privacy, you will have language option. Click on language and then you need to go with view all settings. And here you will have app language, right? So simply click on the English option. Once you click on English, here you will have the languages. You can simply choose any language that you are comfortable with. Simply go with the right side, select the language, and go with OK. Refresh the page, and that's it. Your language has been changed. So that's how you can change your language on your Facebook, on PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.